Hello. Good evening. How is everyone doing? I am just getting myself squared away here, ready to start showing you something tonight, but I'm just giving it a few seconds so people come on board. And just to let you know, so if you're watching the recorded version later on, after the live is done, I post this on Facebook. And I also have later on posted on YouTube if you happen to be watching then. This is why there's a delay in the first few minutes. So it's because I'm just waiting for people to join the for Facebook to alert the viewers and for them to join. So I see a bunch of people have joined. Hi guys, how are you this evening? Hi Norma. So today I'm going to be teaching you St. Petersburg stitch. So if you're watching currently, if you can see there's a little red box up there, it says live. So this is live, but if that box isn't there, that means that you're watching the recorded version. So in case you're a first timer and have never seen this is why I'm telling you. And for those of you who have been with me for the last 19 days, thank you for watching. Hi Kathy, hi Denise. Okay guys, so today I'm showing you St. Petersburg stitch. So I love this stitch. This is just another one of my favorite stitches. I love to play with the stitch. So I have here a couple examples to show you. So this particular example is a pair of earrings I made, and I don't know what I did with the mate. It was just here a second ago, but I looked away and it walked off. Anyway, but this is a pair of earrings that I made, and there is a tutorial on YouTube for this. So just look for St. Petersburg earrings. It's from last year sometime. So this is really just a simple tutorial, and I really love the way these earrings turned out. There's also a matching bracelet for this, and there's a matching necklace. So here's the necklace, and so I changed the pendant a little bit in the necklace, but all I did was, it's all St. Petersburg chain pretty much the whole way through. And this is one of these great stitches that works up very, very quickly, and it's very pretty. I love the way it looks, and it looks different based on the bead types that you use. So let me show you a different necklace. And here it is. Oh yeah, Deborah. Yeah, and red would be great. It would look really pretty in red. So here's one that I did, and this is a necklace, and basically it sits right on your collarbone, but I used 8/0s instead of 11s and 15s is what I'm using in this purple one here. And so this one doesn't have a pendant. It was just basically a simple necklace that just sat on your collarbone, and I think it looks completely different. You couldn't tell really that was St. Petersburg too. But anyway, so I'm going to show you how to do this stitch, and we'll go from there. So today's just a demo, and I don't have a tutorial for you today. But so the way to start the stitch is, and there's a couple different ways to do this. This is one possible way to do it. What you're going to do is pick up 6 11s. And you will need a stopper bead. If you are doing a project or something, you want to start with a stopper bead. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through the middle 2 beads. You're going to skip the 2 on the bottom and go through beads number 3 and 4. And what this does is it brings the 2 beads that were on the top, beads number 5 and 6, side by side to beads 3 and 4, like so. Then what you do is you pick up, so in my earrings over here, I use 15/0s as the little points. So here I'm using a black bead, and this is going to be your little point bead. So now this time you're going to go down 3. Like so. And then you pick up another one again, another one of these. So I'm using delicas here, but you can use 15s or whatever. I did not have black delicas, and I really wanted the contrast to show up because this is so small. So you're going to go across. You're coming out of this one here, and you're going to go up and across. Just like that. And then we are going to build. So to build, you won't need as many beads. So this time you're going to pick up 4 of your 11s here, and you can bring those down. And then you're going to go through the first 2 of the 4 you picked up. Sorry, my thread just got caught. There we go. And then you pick up your black over here. So I'm going to go and pick up the black, and then I go down 3. Hey, Jenica, how are you? Like so. And then pick up another one of these, and we go across and up these. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And you just keep building. So this is, I'm showing you a single, I think it's called a single St. Petersburg chain. There's also a double, and I will be showing you a stitch demo on how to do that too. But for today, this I'm going to show you this. So let me show you this one more time. So you start with 6, but then as you're building, you're only going to pick up 4 of the 11s. So I'm picking 4 11s. Just like bring those down towards the work, and then go through those first 2 that you just brought in. And just like that. Take your bead and go down the first 3. And then pick up another one of your other smaller beads, and they actually don't necessarily have to be smaller. Go across. So, and there you have it. So I kind of like the way this gold and black looks. Huh? I'll have to see. Maybe I'll make something with this. Anyway, so here I did use 11s and 15s, but in this one I actually just use 8s all the way through. Or sorry, 8s. Yeah, I did use 8s all the way through. So Kathy, you like the black and gold? So do you guys have any questions for me on St. Petersburg? This one was a sort of a quick demo after yesterday's longer tutorial. So in case you guys missed it, I finished up the bracelet. And for those of you who are joining us for the first time, there's 3 videos that were posted. They're videos day 16, 17, and 18 if you want to see the whole entire tutorial. It's a 3-day tutorial because I did it all live. Anyway, well, ladies, that is St. Petersburg, and if you don't have any questions or anything, I'm going to wait here a few seconds. I hope you all are having a good evening. Does anyone need one more demonstration of this, or you guys are good? Give me a little thumbs up if you're all good, and I'm going to say goodnight. Oh, hi, Melanie. Okay, guys. All right. Thank you, ladies. And I will see you tomorrow. I will be back at 9 p.m. Central. And we'll continue. Thank you, Peggy. Yes, thanks, Denise. You too. Have a good evening. Good night, ladies.